बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। हेलो, हाय, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. In this video, guys, I am going to share with you most stunning and most beautiful button craft ideas. So, viewers, these are top trending and very beautiful and very amazing and very stunning and very pretty button art and craft collections for you guys. So viewers, these are top trending and very beautiful, very amazing and very stunning button art and craft ideas for you guys. So viewers, these are top trending and very pretty and very latest and very stunning and top trending button art and craft ideas for you guys. So viewers, these are very amazing, very stunning and super unique and very classy button art and ideas for you guys. So viewers must try these at home and decorate your homes with these. These are top, unique and very latest and very amazing ideas for you guys. So I am glad to see you all guys. Hope so you all are doing well. So guys must try these, and these are super amazing and very pretty and very latest collections. So must try these, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. These are very amazing, very stunning and very latest collections for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, and guys hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. These are very unique, very pretty and very latest collections for you guys. So guys, hope so guys you enjoyed this video. Take care and be happy. These are very amazing, these are very stunning and very latest and very unique collections. So guys must try these are very amazing and very latest, and you guys use your old buttons into new and decorate your homes with these button craft. And you guys also watch different hair craft videos on my channel. That was amazing, that was beautiful for you guys. So guys, take care, always think positive, always be positive, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz guys.